What's up, guys? I got a new antenna built for you, and I have it connected right there. It's a bit hard to see, but I call it the butterfly antenna. So let me get this disconnected and I'll show you how I built it. Okay, guys, so I have some of these connectors that I use all the time. This one has to go back in its spot, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, guys, so that's how you connect these. If you're using something like this, you don't really need it. If you just get wires and plug it in, okay, good to go. With all the rain we got here, I'm gonna have to replace a whole bunch of those, but I'll just wire them in differently. There's the freaking car. As soon as I turn the camera on. All right, guys. Basically, what we got here is what I call a butterfly antenna. I use tools to bend that. I use a pair of these, okay, or like a pair of these, pair of pliers, just to bend the tops down and around. You want to make a little circle here. So basically, guys, the top of this would come out like this and down. I bent that all the way around down here, and I made a loop. This one I cut off. This one's here. I gotta cut that one off yet, okay? Just so you understand. Then what I did was got this piece of wood, put a washer on top. Once I got my my ground wire on here, then I got my hot wire over here. Ground is in the outside of your cable line, outside of your cable line. Inside, usually copper, that's your hot. The outside is your ground here. Comes another car. So once that loop I made in here, I wrap this around. Then I got a washer on top. I got a piece of rubber that goes into the sink, your faucet, so it stops leaking water. It's just a piece of rubber. You could use any type of rubber. You could cut a piece of old hose, sink it down on top of that washer, you know what I'm saying? And then I put my screw in there to hold it. Ground. Which one is ground here? Let me see. Now I'm going to show you how I connected this all. Okay, this one is ground, this one is positive. This is hot, and this is ground, okay? This one goes to the center wire, this one goes to the outside wire, under the black plastic. Yeah, the tools I used right here. I also used a drill to sink these two screws in, as I got with it. We got a lot of chemtrails up there, so I'll show you all that later. I just did a quick search of channels, that's it. I changed the spot, I put it out here, it wasn't angled, it was just up there, and I got channels. So now we're going to take this apart and show you what's going on. These are two metal hangers, not necessarily copper, just two magnet metal hangers. I call this the butterfly antenna. My dog and we play every night, guys. My dog tears up my sleeves. So when you see this, my dog tore it up on me, because we play every night. And I usually wear this when I'm playing, because he likes to grab on here. I also wear it when I'm just doing outside work. I'm going to zoom me in there so you can see what I'm talking about. That's about as far as I can zoom, guys. Okay. Let's see. Let me see what's going on here. You can see how I made the loop, right? You make that loop to get that screw in there. And then you could cut that. You could cut the rest of this off, like that one. All right. Then I just wrap the wire around here. That loop, I wrap the wire around there. I just put it here. got my washer. Put my washer in place. I got my screw. Put it through the plastic here. Get this, just press it into the wood as much as you can, and then just screw it down. It's nice and tight. You can even solder these so there's no wiggle here. See that wiggle? So what I'm going to do here, guys, is secure here and here. All right, here we go. Here we go. Boom. See, that ain't gonna bounce or move around anymore, guys. That's what I was trying to tell you in the video. Just a washer, a screw, sheetrock screw, faucet washer, or whatever you got, a penny, whatever you could tap a hole into. Maybe you have small washer. You don't need this rubber piece, okay? And we're just gonna put it in place here. There we go. That's what I wanted to do before. And just secure this down in place so there's no movement. All right, well, that one kind of broke on us. I'm gonna have to get another one. Oh, there ain't no really right way, guys. It's an old piece of rubber. I try to use these things up. That's good enough right there. And I got the flat ones too. Doesn't matter. Use something that you can get in there if you have sheetrock screws. Or if you have small washers, you're good to go, guys. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. This is nice and secure now. It ain't going nowhere. We can now bend this the way we want it. Get this end up in the air. Get this end a little down. Everything looking good. Nice. That's how I do it. So if I was gonna put this on a post, a wood post or something, I would just find center. Then screw that right down into your board or whatever, and you're ready to go. Just like that. Comes a car. How we doing there? That looks good enough. You got your antenna mounted. Now you get some tape. You just wrap this stuff up real good. You know, a piece over here, cover your connection right there. A couple pieces here, one down there, or two down there. You're good to go. Connect your antenna up to your TV. Okay, guys, there's your antenna. Butterfly antenna. Awesome. So get your connections down. Now we'll show you how to strip this wire and what's going on down in here. We're going to show you that right now. Okay, tools you might need: a blade, cut that end. You might need a pair of snips to cut that wire in two. Okay. Then we gotta go here. We gotta make a couple cuts. And there's one more tool I'm going to use. I'm going to show you that now. Good pair of wire snips. Okay, you're going to need your cable, copper wire, see that? Most of these are copper, some aren't copper anymore, they're like fiber optic stuff. Let me get that junk out of there. Got something stuck in there, I gotta clean that out, but that inside wire, guys, you see in there, that is your positive, that's the hot. I'm always talking about the hot. The outside here of this is your ground here. The outside is your ground, okay? So we want access to all that. So what I'm going to do is put my snips out, right? And we're going to take the length we need so we can hook up a connector, and I'm going to cut right here with the snips, okay? So now what we're gonna do, okay guys, so we're after the hot wire in the ground, so we're gonna cut about 1 inch. Just peel all that back, all that plastic. See the plastic? You want to peel that back. Okay, you might have to go a little bit more, guys. You might have to cut a little bit more just to be able to peel this stuff back. Okay, like that. And you're going to take your snips, and we're just going to go like this, guys. Okay, we're just going to peel around it. Sorry for moving the camera. We're going to peel around here as just the best we can. That's good enough, guys. Now, once that's clear, we're going to push all the stuff here. Bring it all on one side, guys. Make sure you get it all down there. We're just going to ball that up, okay? That's your ground. All this loose wire around here, we're going to push it back, twist it, get it all twisted up there. Okay, and we're going to cut here. And there's your copper wire, okay? There's your hot wire right there. See that? That's your hot. That's your ground. Okay? Just like that. Get my glove on now. A little bit cold out. So that's how you do it, guys. The outside is your ground. This is just under the plastic piece that I cut off. It's just under there, you see it? It's just under that plastic. Push it all down, twist it around. Go ahead and get your wire snips or strippers and cut this off. And just now what you can do is just go like this with your blade. You know, you want to get this copper bright. You want to turn that into bright copper. Shiny copper, okay? You want to get that little spray seal off of there so you got a better chance of getting more channels. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Okay? That's it right there, guys. That copper piece in the center, right there, that's your hot. That's going to be your hot. This piece on the side is your ground. Done. We're done with this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hot and ground. The ground is the outside wire, okay? That's all you got to remember. The outside wire is ground. Practice taking some of these apart. You see what I'm talking about. And that's what I call the butterfly antenna, guys. Right there. And thanks for watching.